Make a fidget pizza? Are you crazy? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so all the kinds of fidgets in this area.
Even some back there.
Some right there. There's some ice cream.
Cake.
Where is the crust?
Cake. No cake.
That is. Okay, these are all the items we're gonna do. Okay, it's coming. Okay, you wanted fidget pizza? Okay, here you go.